Father's Day is almost here, and we're diving into the classics with Shanisty Ireland.
That's right, Shanisty's here, so what are we diving into?
Okay, so the classics, when we think Father's Day, we usually think about grilling or putting dad on the grill or the burgers and the brats. Nothing wrong with that, but we're gonna think out of the box here today. This is one of my favorite recipes. I've yet to share it on TV, but I've always wanted to do it, okay? So you guys are very special. These are my big back spring rolls. Inspired by, actually, they sell them at Disney World, and I just kind of like made up the recipe from there. So what is in here, ladies, is we've got some oil, we've got minced garlic and yellow onion, all chopped up very small. I do a ½ pound of Italian sausage and a ½ pound of ground beef to make it a little bit more flavorful. And then I have chopped up dill pickles in here, 2 tablespoons of Dijon, no, yellow mustard, not Dijon, yellow mustard, Worcestershire, and that's it. So this is what's going to go inside of our spring roll. So.
And it smells amazing.
It smells
amazing. Cheese too. I can't forget the cheese. I've got 2 cups of mild cheddar cheese. So these are just egg roll wraps that you can pick up at Kroger or your local grocery store. You can do spring roll wraps instead of the egg roll. I like the egg roll a little bit more because I think they're heartier. And then we're just going to go ahead and take the filling. And
these are the tips we need to know.
I think so. And honestly, it's a nice little appetizer. They're very filling. We're going to go ahead and wrap that baby up.
Maybe I should bring this for Father's Day this weekend. My dad would be so impressed.
They're really good. So as you can tell, I mean, it doesn't take very much. This is a little bit of water just to seal it. And then we were going to fry it. I like frying it in this contraption I brought. It's the Fry Daddy. It's just, you're just going to fry it with vegetable oil in there for only about 8 minutes. You just need to get it golden brown. This is what they look like when they're finished because everything in there is already cooked, obviously. Now, I also made the Big Mac riff of the recipe of the sauce.
I've seen that all over TikTok.
Yeah.
How did you make that?
It's just Worcestershire mayo, Italian dressing. It has the onion, sweet pickle relish, and gosh, there's one other ingredient in there. I have it on my blog.
That's okay.
She'sBecomingDomestic.com. But ladies, this is it. So I don't know if you want to give it a try. If you want to try the egg rolls.
I'm gonna go for this.
And let us know what you think.
That Big Mac sauce has been popular.
It is.
Yes.
It is. And I love the spring roll because this is also great if you're hosting. You can cut it up on a board and make it really small. You like it? Yep.
Oh, of course.
Even if you don't, we're gonna pretend. But this is just a nice way to, you know, not have dad on the grill for Father's Day, and it's something unique and different.
I feel like our faces are very easy to read. There is no pretending here. It's either like,
I love food.
I know. They're delicious and really easy and simple. So
we love that. Well, Shanisty's got more Father's Day tips, but we're gonna take a quick commercial break. Grace is gonna finish her egg roll. We'll be right back after the short break.
Welcome back to the LD Kitchen. We're talking easy Father's Day favorites with Shanisty Ireland.
And I'm ready to jump right into this. Did you say you needed a knife?
I mean, a knife.
I got you. I got you.
Like, oh gosh,
we're doing some TV magic today.
That's great. This is a peach dump cake. Ladies, this is only 5 ingredients. So this is really easy. So even if the dads are out there watching thinking, I'm going to make something for myself for Father's Day, this is the easiest recipe I think it could possibly bring. We are going to start off with canned peaches, just because it's simple.
Yum.
And we're going to go ahead and dump that in there. Grace, you want to dump that in there?
It smells really good.
I love peaches.
I know. We're going to just do 2 cans with the syrup and everything. That's it. We're going to go ahead and start with that.
Little me would take those with a fork out of the...
Oh,
yes. You know what I mean? Those are so good.
30-year-old me. I'll take it.
Yes.
What about me now?
That's fine. And then we're just going to dump a yellow cake batter on it. Just
the whole thing?
The whole thing. Just
dump it, Grace.
on there. That's why it's called the dump cake.
Ooh, okay.
Yep.
I'm picking up.
Yep.
Come on. Oh,
it's okay. It's okay.
It's
all right. Maybe
why is it always me?
I don't know. I feel like I typically just go to my left to make that person do everything, and then we're gonna throw the trash.
Really funny.
And that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and layer that out like that, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a stick of butter, and we're gonna put the butter on top into tiny little slices. And then here, Caroline, you want to do that one? That is just a cup of brown sugar and cinnamon. And what we'll
sprinkle it?
Yep, and that's it. And that's it, you guys. Like literally, I'm not even kidding. The easiest thing that you can do. You're gonna pop that into the oven, 375 for 45 minutes. And with the power of television, the magic, it's going to turn out like this. Oh, that's great. I like your sound effects. Yeah.
There
So
you go.
that, after 45 minutes, is
Before and
come out
after. Oh
like
my
this.
gosh,
So
look
ladies,
at that.
you are going to try this.
Yes.
I like to typically serve this with vanilla ice cream.
You read my mind.
Oh, I was going to ask you.
Or with Cool Whip. Sorry,
my
ladies, I
gosh.
forgot to bring that.
No, this is
but
perfect.
That's okay.
Now, I
gotta
just
get
want to
some
give
more
you a
pieces
shout
on
out
there.
real quick.
Yeah.
I
It's
love
nice and
your
warm.
little party things you do. These are
Oh,
even
thank
golf
you.
ball plates, guys. Like
Yeah.
your little touches are so cute. How can people find more from you?
Oh, please do. Yes, head over to my blog. It's she'sbecomingdomestic.com or Instagram. There's a ton on there. Shanisty Ireland, TikTok, YouTube. My kids are trying to help me with the YouTube channel. Yeah, not my generation, but I'm trying.
I
I
follow her
love
on
it.
TikTok. I've gotten some amazing
They are funny.
deals from that.
They are super funny, and this is so good.
Oh, good.
Shanisty.
Good.
The best time.
Here's
Yeah.
home. The information's right there on your screen. Be sure to check out Shanisty Ireland on several different platforms. Shanisty, thank you so much for coming in today.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Of course.